In this video, we'll explore how your Toniebox works. You'll need a Toniebox you've already set up, and access to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Check out this video if you need help setting up your Toniebox. Put the Tony on your Toniebox and keep an eye on the LED light. If it flashes blue, wait for the story to load before proceeding. If the LED is green, you're ready to continue. Remove the Tony from your Toniebox to pause. Replace the Tony to pick up where you left off. Tilt the Toniebox to rewind or fast forward. Give it a tap to skip one chapter forward or backwards. Whoops! No worries. Let's keep going. You can change the tilt and tap direction or even switch off the function completely in your Toniebox settings. To save any changes, simply sync your Toniebox. To do this, remove the Tony and press and hold one of the ears for 3 seconds. The Toniebox ears also control volume. Use the small ear to lower volume and the big ear to turn the volume up. A maximum volume can also be set through the app. Now again, briefly, sync your Toniebox one more time and ready! Need support? We're here to help. Happy listening.